Hey guys, it's Ro. Today I am hanging out with the Merrell twins.
Hi.
They came over. We've got Veronica.
Hello.
And Vanessa.
Hello.
We just finished filming another video on their channel, so go check it out. I'm gonna put a link down below. Also, go subscribe to their channel. Show them some love. They make a bunch of adorable and really fun videos. I love them. This is really special. This is our first collab on the channel.
Yes.
So thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
And today we are going to be playing the Oreo Taste Challenge. We are going to be trying 10 different flavors of Oreo blindfolded.
10 different Oreos?
Yeah, there's a bunch of
lot.
them now. The rules are if you guess the flavor correctly, you get a point.
Okay.
And the person with the most points at the end wins. But there's
Perfect.
no punishment for the loser.
That's great.
And I also don't have a trophy for the winner.
It's okay.
So here we go. Oh, geez. These are a lot tighter than I thought.
Yeah. How do I look?
Well, I can't see you, but let me check. Okay, you feel good. Okay, let's.
My
let me
eyes
see.
move. Yep, I'm good. Should I feel you?
Yeah, just check that none of us are cheating. All right, we've got our first Oreo. Let's do this. I'm gonna smell first.
It smells
Ooh.
like something I know.
I don't know. Are we gonna?
Smells good. Let's take a bite.
One, two, three.
It tastes.
What?
What is this? It tastes like citrusy.
Yeah,
Like a fruit. This tastes like a fruit.
it does taste like a fruit.
I think it's a fruit.
No.
No?
Now I'm getting like a.
Uh-oh.
It kind of
The aftertaste. Taste the aftertaste. Like, do that.
It kind of tastes like the high chews.
Spicy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Lemonade.
I said orange.
Oh,
I said key
girl,
lime.
did you say key lime?
Yeah.
That's it. This is probably key lime pie. Yeah, okay, let's look.
Let's do look. 1, 2, 3. What? Whoa! Wait.
You guys.
What?
Key lime pie. Ding ding. Point over here. Point for Vanessa. Woo!
Wow, I'm so proud of myself. That's the only one I'm ever going to guess this entire game.
You nailed it.
I thought it was orange.
Second Oreo flavor. Here we go. I'm gonna smell.
Oh.
Oh, what is that? I can't tell.
I can't tell either. It smells very sugary.
Here we
Ready?
go.
Okay.
I don't taste a flavor. Let me open up the cookie and take a big smell.
I think I know.
You know?
I think I know.
Okay, well I know that this is not their like
Mine's
chocolate
like
cookie.
crumpled.
Yeah, it's not
This tastes like a vanilla cookie, I'll tell you that.
Really?
Yeah. Don't listen to me, I could be totally wrong. And in full disclosure, I usually lose all these challenges. So, oh my gosh, you know what this tastes like?
What?
This tastes like another cookie.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, are we on the same page?
I think so.
We may be thinking the same thing.
I think we may be thinking the
this
same
tastes
thing.
like another cookie.
What?
I don't know what cookie we're talking about. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I shouldn't have said anything. 1, 2, 3. An animal cracker. You know, the animal. Yeah, let's check. Oh
1,
gosh, we're
2,
all
okay.
over the place.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A peep.
A what? Peep. What? Oh! It's pink.
Whoa. Wait.
Whoa! This is really
Hey,
pink. First
you
off,
were
this is
onto something when you said
adorable.
s'mores.
You said s'mores because they have marshmallows.
Marshmallow.
I see what you're thinking. Wow, I was totally
I was
off.
totally off too.
You both were like, we're thinking the
Oh,
same
I was
thing.
like, we got
We
this.
got this.
All right, that was a lose. Okay, that's okay though.
All right, so now we have our
Third Oreo to try.
Let's do it.
Ooh, I'm gonna smell it first. Oh. Wait,
Interesting.
I know this
you?
smell.
Oh my gosh, it is on the tip of my tongue. Okay, maybe we
Okay, we should take a bite. I'm like,
I hear her. She's going.
Oh.
like, I think I know just from smelling it.
Really?
I think so.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take a bite. Okay.
Oh wait, I don't know.
Oh,
I know.
I know.
I know.
I know one of these. I know one of these. I don't know the other one. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Peanut butter jelly! Yeah! Did we get it?
We better. Yay!
Yay!
It's PB&J.
So now we have Oreo number 4. Are you guys ready?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna pick one up.
Yeah, smell
I'm gonna
it.
smell.
Oh, wait, I can't smell it that good. Ready?
Ooh,
Wow.
I think I know what it is.
you do?
Yes.
Oh, this fast.
Yes. No?
Ooh, and the aftertaste.
The aftertaste is wonderful.
Ooh.
Very delightful.
This tastes. Oh,
Do you know? Do you
this tastes like a candy that I eat a lot. Oh my gosh, I don't want to say this because but it's like a lot of old people like this candy. This is a sweet flavor with some soul. Okay, I'm opening mine up and I'm gonna eat a little bit more of this filling just to be sure.
Oh wait, I got the second
Because
filling.
I want to make sure. I thought I had more. I guess I didn't. 1, 2, 3. Butterscotch.
Oh. Candy corn. Nah, that's it.
Wait a minute. Where's
That's
Where's
crazy.
the white part of the candy corn? Candy corns are 3 colors. This only has 2.
Oh.
No, that's why we got it wrong.
All right, so we've got cookie number 5, and here we go. I'm just gonna smell it.
All right, this is halfway there.
Ooh, this one smells good.
Oh, this smells really
This
good.
smells like Christmas.
And I have to say that
Yeah.
these flavors have not been easy.
no,
They're
honestly,
a little tricky.
like
Yeah.
I can go ahead and tell you what flavor I think this is just by smelling it, but honestly, because of what's been going on, I don't think it is.
We have to taste
I have
it.
to be creative.
yeah, we need
I
to
forgot
do,
the word.
we need to do creative guesses. Get
Yes.
really creative. 'Cause
This time, yes.
smells like gingerbread. Oh,
Eat it.
Is that for sure?
What? I'm so
Wait.
confused now.
Oh my gosh. I think I know what this is. I have been training my whole life for this. Ladies, when the holidays roll around, this is something that I consume a lot of, and I'm not exactly proud of it. It's something that's served hot, and I like to curl up, and I have never been so sure of something in my life.
Okay. Should we just try?
Yeah, let's guess it.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Hot apple cider. Apple pie. You know what? We're all gonna get half a point for that. Half points all around.
Yes.
All around. Okay.
All right, this is Oreo cookie number 6. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's take a whiff.
I'm ready to sniff.
Okay.
What? Oh wow, I think I feel like I might have like Oreo crumbs all over my face.
I probably
Me
have them
too.
all over my nose.
I
too.
can't smell anything. I think I kind of have an idea. Did you eat it?
No, let me taste it right
Yeah,
now. I wanna
let's
taste
go.
it. Okay. I know what this one is. They're bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh, I feel it now.
In your mouth and in your throat. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Should we guess until we all know now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
Pop Rocks.
So I think these are like the 4th of July.
Wait, what?
Yes. This is a point for all of us. So there
Yay.
are, because it's Pop Rocks.
Yeah.
All right, so now it is time for Oreo number 7.
Yes.
Okay, I'm
All
gonna
right.
smell it. Again.
This is gonna be lucky number 7. We're gonna get this right.
what?
I'm confused.
No, I don't smell anything.
I don't either.
Neither do
Should
I.
we just eat it?
It just smells like a cookie.
I'm breaking mine in half and eating it like I normally eat my Oreos.
I don't know what this is, but I love it.
I know. Wait.
I know.
I've locked my answer in. Oh, I know too.
This is something I have every day.
Yep.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Coffee.
Let's look.
Oh!
Yes.
I actually
Yes,
was
yes,
specifically
yes.
going to say a mocha, but as like
Really?
a joke. But I felt coffee was more reliable.
I'm gonna give us all a point for that.
oh,
one.
yeah,
That's what I
100%.
did, you guys.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, it is a Dunkin' Donuts mocha flavor, but I just tasted the coffee.
Me too. I only tasted coffee. Now we have Oreo number 8.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited. We've been advised to take a really big bite.
Because our team said that there might be something in the middle.
Yes. Yeah. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna do a big bite.
2,
1, 2, 3,
go. I know. I don't know.
I do not know what this is.
I love these. Yeah, you eat them around a campfire.
This just tastes like a graham cracker to me. That can't be it, right? Graham cracker? Let me open this up and touch it.
You think there'll be a different... Ooh.
No, it all feels the same. I don't know how to get to the middle. Let me just try to guess where the middle is. I'm gonna wipe it. Take a taste.
You know, I think I should go with my first instinct.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
1, 2, 3. S'mores.
Graham cracker.
Should we look?
It's a graham cracker Oreo. What? You know what's weird is the aftertaste does taste a little bit like
waffle and syrup.
like maple.
Yeah. Now
Like
that you say something.
All right, that one was tough, but let's go to the next one.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oreo number 9. We have 2 more left. Oh, very flavorful. I can smell a lot of flavors.
Fruity.
Okay, let's take a bite.
Ready?
I am truly confused.
What a strange flavor.
Okay, it's a fruit mixed with something.
So
I
here's the
know
thing.
that.
I didn't taste fruit. What fruit are you tasting?
I am tasting like a cherry or something.
No.
There was these gross candies that my grandma used to eat. And I don't know the name of them, but they were these candies with like a cherry in the middle and then was covered with chocolate.
Oh, I know
And
what
you
you're
used to
talking
crack
about.
them open and it had like ooze out of it. It tastes like one of those. This tastes like old cherry. Gross.
Okay.
That's the first thing that popped in my head. And if there's one thing I've learned from this game, it's don't trust my instincts, but I'm also gonna stay true to them, and I'm just gonna go for it. Oh gosh, do I even taste another bite? I don't even want to taste another bite. Let me just smell it.
I'm just gonna guess.
Ugh, it smells like it.
1, 2, 3.
Raspberry
filled something.
Whoa.
What? I said raspberry filled something. I said milkshake.
Ooh, that's a good guess.
Ready?
Like a cherry milkshake, a strawberry milkshake. That's a good one.
Ready? Are we gonna guess?
Okay, let's look.
I already opened my bag.
All right, let's go. Chocolate covered strawberry.
I love chocolate covered strawberries. This does not taste like a chocolate covered strawberry.
You know, I was going to say it has chocolate
It has
in
a
it.
strawberry. Like it was a.
Okay, I'm gonna give us all half points because we all guessed it was a fruit.
Okay.
We knew that there was a fruit in there. We also determined that the fruit was red. Now it is time for the 10th Oreo. This is our last Oreo, so our last time to earn some points.
Okay.
Yes, let's
Okay.
take a whiff.
Let's smell them.
Oh no.
It smells like graham crackers again.
It does. Oh, great. I'm confused already. Okay. What is this?
I don't know.
What am I eating? What is this? Oh no, this is not good for me. Okay.
I don't know.
Let's taste it. I'm gonna eat the frosting part.
Actually?
Okay, this is really weird, but if you just eat the icing, which is what I've just done, it tastes like maybe it's trying to be a baked good. For some reason, when you go like this, I know you can't see what I'm doing, but like it's like you just move your jaw a lot like this. I can like taste better. I learned this from my sister's dog. 1, 2, 3. This is a blueberry muffin.
Oh.
A blueberry scone.
Let's look. Let's
Or
look.
a no, I only get one guess. Okay, let's see.
You definitely got that.
You guys, a blueberry pie.
I think you get the point.
I'll take half a point.
No, you get.
Because I got blueberry. The final scores are 4, 4.5 points, and
5.
Vanessa with the
Yay!
win. Congratulations.
Thank you. It's because
That's
it's the key lime. That's the one that that's the one I got.
This
Nailed
was
that one.
so much fun. Thanks for playing this game with me,
thanks
you
for
guys.
having us.
And I have one bonus flavor. This is not a part of the game, but apparently Oreos has made a mystery packet with mystery flavors, so we don't need the blindfold.
Ooh.
But apparently people can guess it, and if they guess them, they like write Oreo, and you get a prize. This is the packet. These are the mystery Oreos.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh my
And look
gosh.
at it, so black and white.
Yeah.
Matches our little pandas.
And the
Okay.
so you guess the flavor for a chance to win $50,000.
Crazy.
That's a ton of money.
All right, we've got to take a cookie here.
All right,
Let's see if we can guess.
should we smell it?
Whoa!
That smells.
Very fragrant.
That smells exactly like Trix cereal.
Okay, let's do it. I think it's a cereal.
I think it's Trix.
It's Trix or Fruity Pebbles. So you guess Trix. I'm guessing Fruity Pebbles.
I'm guessing Fruit Loops.
All right, so we've all guessed cereals. Let us know if you try these in the comments down below what flavor you think it is. I definitely think it's a cereal. All right, that does it for the Oreo challenge. A big thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for coming over. This was so much fun. And don't forget, we also made a video over on their channel. I'll put a link down below. Go check it out. And if you have any other ideas for any other videos, leave me a comment down below. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.
Bye. If you want to see any other fun videos, click here or up here.